Hello students, welcome to the digital learning session of Raval Convent School. Today for class 7th, we are here with another amazing topic, that is weather and climate. Let's begin. In this module, we will study what is weather, what is climate, elements of weather and climate. Weather. What is weather? Weather is what the forecaster on the TV news predict each day. They tell people about the temperature, cloudiness, humidity and storms. It is a mix of events that happen each day in our temperature. Weather it's not same everywhere. It may be hot and sunny in one part of the world but freezing and snowy in other. In simple words, you can say the change in condition of a place which may change into hour to hour, day to day or even minute to minute depending on temperature, rainfall and wind condition. Now, what is climate? Climate is the average weather in a place over many years. While the weather can change in just a few hours, climate takes 100,000 even millions of years to change. In simple words, you can say the weather condition prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. Sometimes the climate of a place is described with a graph like this as shown in the figure. They are known as climatograms. Now, elements of weather and climate. There are several elements that make up the weather and climate of a place. The major of these elements are temperature, pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Analysis of these elements can provide the basis for forecasting weather and defining its climate. These same elements make also the basis of climatology study, of course in a longer time scale rather than it does in meteorology. First is temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold the atmosphere is, how many degrees it is above or below freezing. Temperature is a very important factor in determining the weather because it influences or control other elements of weather such as precipitation, humidity, cloud and atmospheric pressure. Wind. Wind is a movement of air masses especially on the earth's surface. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Precipitation is the product of a rapid condensation process. It may include snow, hail, sleet, drizzle, fog, mist and rain. Atmospheric pressure is the weight of air resting on Earth's surface. Pressure is shown on a weather map often called a synoptic map with lines called isobar. Measuring the weather. Weather stations are places where a variety of instruments are used to record regular data on the weather. The most important instruments used in weather station are shown below. Hygrometers, rain gauge, barometers, maximum and minimum thermometers. Hygrometers. Hygrometers are special thermometers that measure humidity by calculating the amount of water vapor in the air. Rain gauge are containers that collect and measure rainfall or any other form of precipitation. Levels of rainfall are measured in millimeter. Barometers are used to measure atmospheric pressure. They may be either mercury vacuum barometers. Often they are attached to a pen that charts movements in pressure on a piece of paper. The resulting chart is called a barograph. Maximum and minimum thermometers measure the highest and lowest temperature in degrees Celsius from the lowest temperature to the highest temperatures. In the end, I would like to say better environment, better tomorrow. Thank you.